Thousands of librarians from all around the country, they are in Portland right now for a really big convention. And we found out the Public Library Association is focusing on a lot more than just how to get more readers engaged and expanding digital libraries. One focus here is how to help the increasing number of people at the public library that may be experiencing a mental crisis. Let's get to our Lisa Balick digging deeper into how Portland is an early leader in this. She joins us live from downtown Portland. Lisa, this is really a good example of how we go to librarians for information, but for a new reason now.
Yeah, absolutely. And you mentioned it's been for a while. It's actually the past 6 years that the Multnomah County Library has hired social workers to provide help for the homeless in terms of social services, also people who are undergoing mental health crises who come into the library. Now, the Multnomah County Library has been doing this, like I said, for several years now. At the Central Branch in downtown Portland here, there are 2 social workers from Cascadia Behavioral Health Care. They make contact with people, for example, who need information about shelters, mental health referral agencies, but they're also trained to de-escalate a situation when someone is experiencing a mental health crisis.
We just approach people and sort of say, we really want to help you be successful at the library, so what can we do to kind of make that work better for you? Here's our concern. Here are some choices that you have. What would you like to choose to do right now so that other patrons aren't disturbed?
And based on their track record, they've been very successful, again, helping to avoid having to call police in. Library staff also having trauma intervention training. There are security guards, though, as well at the library. But adding social workers as a resource connection, they often get to know many of the people who come in and spend a lot of the day here. And they're able to diffuse some situations, as I mentioned, so police don't have to be called. Now, the library is looking to expand the program, as are other libraries around the country. In fact, at the workshops here in Portland, they are talking about issues like police, like security. And again, this is one of the leaders in the country. They actually found it in San Francisco and adopted it here, and they say it's working. Back to you.